for me. Only out for me. I don't want broke again. No face, no face, no face, no face for the rent. Focus on the dollars, me no beg no friend. Want rich so till I can't comprehend. Yeah, I wanna live big life, my God, no for decline.
Hello, what's goody? It's your girl Brie MH back at it again with another hair install video. In today's video, the hair was sent from Elva Hair. I have worked with them in the past. So they sent me this orange wig, so it's pre-dyed. The wig came with an elastic band, some wig caps. It also came with a tail comb. And yeah, here's a closer look at the color of the wig. I actually don't remember the specs of this wig, but I will definitely have it on the screen somewhere. It also came curled. I thought that was really suspicious, but I have a feeling as to why it was sent curled. My thinking is that the wig is thin. The wig is thin. It's not my thinking. The wig is completely thin. Like, I find that this wig is very, very thin. So I feel like they curled it to make it seem like, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna wash the wig, babe. I don't know why they did that. But anyways, yeah, that's what it's looking like. This is what it looks like on the inside. So as you can see, it's not a full frontal. It's giving little parting space. I don't like that. I'm gonna just tell you that right now. That's what the lace is looking like. I don't even know if it's transparent or not. I'll put it on the screen, but yeah. So here you can see me try it on my head. I don't like that color on me at all. So guess what I did? I dyed it because I was not feeling that color at all. So I took Adore's French cognac dye, and I dyed the wig. My intentions were to just make it darker, to be honest, because that light orange, it wasn't hidden for me at all. So yeah, I just watercolored it, and then this is the color that I ended up with. Much better. And then here's the install as usual. Some of my footage got lost, but yeah, I install my wigs all the same, you know what I mean? It's pretty self-explanatory, so you can just watch this install part and then I will give my honest opinion on this hair and everything like that. Oh, and let me say, I don't know if it's because of how this wig is constructed, like the fact that it's not a full frontal has anything to do with this, but these baby hairs were not given at all. Like, I feel like it's because there's barely any space. I don't know, but I just feel like it has to do with the fact that there's no space. Like, you know what I mean? The little perimeter that they give you, that's not enough to do some proper edges, you get me? So yeah, my edges were not it.
Guys, I don't know what's going on with this wig today, but it's not participating. Like, what did I do wrong? These baby hairs have to be the worst baby hairs I ever seen in my life. I don't know what the hell is going on. Oh, baby. No, I'm concerned. I am concerned for this look right now. No. It's certainly not giving what it was supposed to give. Hello, I'm back. So this is the finished look. It is actually a few days later. Actually, it's like almost a full week later that I'm now recording this part of the video. So let me just say that 100% this wig is thin. I feel like this wig is thin. Like, I don't know, it's very thin. That's why I had to put in these crimps, because I feel like it gives it a little bit more volume. Like, I don't know, it just looks better, but I just find that this wig is very thin. It also is shedding a lot. Like, I'm not gonna cap, this wig is shedding a lot. One pass with the brush, the whole brush is full of hair. Like, yeah, that's not it. It's not it for me. But anyways, how I got these crimps, I didn't record this part because I find it very difficult to do the crimps while looking in the phone rather than looking in my mirror, because my mirror is huge. But the way how I do the crimps, it's actually still hot right now. You know, you just open it and just place it on the hair, hold it there for a few seconds, and then move on to the next part. I got this crimper from Amazon. I will link it in the description box. But yeah, I'm not a fan of the wigs that just have this little parting space and then they just have the perimeter. I'm not a fan of that. But if you're a beginner, I feel like that type of wig could be good for you. You know what I mean? Because it's less for you to work with. Very quick and easy to install. You don't really have to do the most. You don't even really have to do baby hairs if you don't want to. You know what I mean? I'm just extra and I like baby hairs for the most part. But yeah, like the thinness is really my only complaint, and the fact that it's shedding. Also, you guys knew I didn't really like the color that the wig was originally, so that's why I dyed it. But yeah, this is the finished product of the look. If you guys are interested in this hair, like regardless of what I just told you, the link will be in the description box. Again, that is my bonnet. Again, shout out to Elva Hair. You know what I mean? You guys try the thing. I feel like I made it give what it's giving right now. If I didn't dye it and do what I did, I don't think I would be feeling this look. But I like it right now. I like how it looks. But it took some work. You get me? Like, I just feel like it's thin. Like, look at that. I don't think I should be seeing in between. You know what I mean? The density. I don't even know what density this is. I probably put it on the screen somewhere in this video, but I don't know. It's just too thin for me. But yeah, if you're a beginner, maybe, you know what I mean? If you're a beginner, like, yeah, maybe this could be for you. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. You guys let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think it's thin, or am I just being extra? What do you guys feel about this look? Do you guys like the color? For me, I do like the color, but at the same time, I'm like, damn, it's looking like my skin almost. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bisous. Okay, I like it. I do like it, but it's just thin. That's really it.